Hello friends, welcome to our channel Om Labs.
So friends, in today's video we will talk about infrared thermometer. An infrared thermometer also works like another thermometers. It is used to measure the temperature of your body. But an infrared thermometer can measure the temperature of your body, and it can also measure the temperature of any surface. But how is an infrared thermometer different from other thermometers? An infrared thermometer measures the temperature from the thermal radiation produced by the body. So today in this video I will tell you about its working and features. So friends, this is the box of the infrared thermometer. So first let's see that what all things are given on the box related to the device. So here it says that it is made in India, which is very good. And now if we move to the side of the box, so at the side the features are given. So first of all, it says that auto shutdown in 15 seconds, which means that it will automatically shut down after use, which means that there will be no battery wastage. And then the second feature is up to 15 centimeter measuring time, which means that when you are measuring the temperature of your body and you keep the device 15 centimeter away from the body, then also it will measure the temperature very easily. So the next feature is fever alarm technology, which means that whenever you will have high temperature, so this device will alarm you about that. So which automatically means you need to get yourself checked as quickly as possible. And then the next feature is the dual color LED digital screen, which means that it has two colors in its LED screen. And then the next feature says that it has 0.5 second quick measuring time, which means that it will measure your temperature in half a second, which is very fast. And then the next feature comes about its accuracy, which means that it is very accurate. And now if we move to the back side of the box, so it tells us some more technical specifications about this infrared thermometer. So first of all, it tells us the measuring, that it can measure from this temperature to this temperature, and then it also tells about the accuracy, and it also tells about the measuring time 0.5 second, which we have already talked before, and the measuring distance also up to 15 centimeter, and then power is 3 volt DC, and then it also has auto shut off 15 seconds, which we've already talked about. And then it also tells about the weight, which is 125 gram without battery, which means it is very light. And then it also tells about the operating condition and storage condition, that in what temperature you can operate it and where you can keep it. This device is available in two colors, which are white and blue and white and gray. So here we have the white and blue color in this device. So this is the infrared thermometer which we have, but first we'll keep this aside and let's see the quick start guide which they've given us. So here in this guide they've given all about this infrared thermometer, its feature and how does it work. And now I will tell you the specifications and features of this infrared thermometer in detail, and will also tell you that how to use this device and how can you measure your body temperature and temperature of any surface with the help of this device. So now let's put these new cells inside this thermometer. While putting the cells inside the thermometer, you need to also see the position of the cells. So on the left side you need to put the positive side up, and on the right side you need to put the negative side up. So now as you can see, the positive side is given, so I'll put it on the left, and here on the right side I'll put the negative side up, and now I'll close it. So now as you can see, the thermometer is on. So now as we've put the cells inside, and as you can see here, there are 3 buttons and also a trigger below. So the trigger is the power button for this thermometer, and now if I press it, you can see that the LED screen is now on. So guys, now I'll tell you that how can you measure the temperature of your body with the help of this thermometer. So as you can see on the LED, body is written, which means that just now it can only measure the temperature of your body. And now if I take my hand and measure the temperature, so as you can see, it is showing 97.7 Fahrenheit, which means that this is my body temperature. This thermometer can also measure the temperature of a surface. For example, how hot is your water or how hot is your milk. You can also do that with the help of the thermometer, but what you need to do is you need to shift the mode from body to surface. So how to shift it to surface temperature? What you need to do is you need to press the set button, and what you will see is that it will shift to surface temperature. And now for example, I want to measure the temperature of the water. So what I'll do is I'll point the gun towards the water and then I'll press the trigger and it will tell me how hot the water is. But now as you can see, it is showing the temperature in Fahrenheit. But if you want to see the temperature in degrees Celsius, what you need to do is you need to long press the set button for long. And then as you can see, it showed you F1 and then unit. So now what you need to do is you need to press the volume button, and then from Fahrenheit it will change into degrees Celsius and will show all the temperatures in degrees Celsius. Now I'll shift it to body, and now as you can see it is showing very low temperature because it has not measured till now, and now I'll measure it. So as you can see, it is showing my temperature 36.4 degrees Celsius. This thermometer can also indicate when you have high temperature or very low temperature. So when you will have high temperature, it will show you as high HI on the screen, and when you have very low temperature, then it will show as LO on the screen. And one thing which you need to keep in mind while measuring the temperature is that you need to keep this device 3 to 5 centimeter away from the body which you are measuring, but it can go up to 15 centimeter, but keeping it near will make it more accurate and less chances of mistakes will be there. So guys, this was all about the infrared thermometer. So in this video we told about all the working and features and how do you use this infrared thermometer. And if you have any interest in buying this infrared thermometer, so you can contact us on the numbers given on the screen. You can also email us on info@omlabs.in. You can also visit our website www.omlabs.in. You can also visit our Facebook page OmLabs, and you can also visit our Instagram account om_labs. So guys, if you liked the video, please drop a like and also share this video, and also subscribe to the channel so that we keep bringing you these type of videos. Thank you.